Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Aliza, CEO of Comnet Plus. In this shareholder annual meeting, we will announce Comnet Plus planning to do the capital raising. In this presentation, we will explain about the business operation of Comnet Plus and also our existing area of operation. Afterwards, we will explain our planning for expansion of the business operation and also our planning to do the capital raising. As we know, Comnet Plus is a telecommunication company that using the newest technology of occupying power line as communication link. This is visible because one of our shareholder, Indonesia Electrical Company, give privilege to us to use their power line, which is using by them to distribute power to their customers, and our technology is by attaching this line to the communication link. Nowadays, our target customer is enterprise and office building, so our customer is big company. And in 5 years performance from 2003 until 2007, we can see the significant growth of our sales. Our existing area of operation is in Java Island. We consider Java Island for the first time because we think the Java is the biggest place in business activity in Indonesia. In Java Island, our business operation is in Jakarta and West Java, Central Java, East Java, and Bali. For the next step of our business, we will do the expansion. For our planning, we will extend our customer by going retail. We will start to sell our product to housing complex in Java. We believe by going retail, we can catch more sales and we get more opportunity and also to build our brand name more extensively. We also plan to extend our area of operation to Sumatra Island. Why Sumatra Island? Because we think Sumatra Island is the second biggest place in business activity in Indonesia. In Sumatra, we will go to North Sumatra, West Sumatra, South Sumatra, and Lampung. This expansion planning, we hope we can grow our business and develop more value to our company. This planning need more money, and we plan to do the capital raising. Based on our calculation, the estimation fund needed for this expansion is 550 billion rupiah. We will issue 45 million shares for 1,000 rupiah per shares, and for the rest, we will obtain it by long-term debt from the bank. The fund will be used to build infrastructure in Sumatra and to buy equipment for going retail in Java. Thank you very much for your attention. Good afternoon.